right, you guys, so they just left, and this is what they put the outside of the window. So let's go inside. So we're inside, and they fixed the ceiling because I had like popcorn, and they did this, and they did the closet. Well, not that much in the closet. The master bedroom, they did that. They didn't do a lot in the master bedroom, nor the bathroom. Yeah, so now here, not much. They just did the ceiling, and this is gonna be the pantry. I haven't done much, but they did the kitchen. We got these installed last week. So these are the cabinets that we have going on here. This is pretty cool. We have this too. And this one I like because when you close it, it closes by itself. That's cool. And this one too, they installed this and this, which is pretty cool because you get to move this. This too. I think they start painting because, is it? Oh no, it's not. This is where the sink is gonna be. And this is where the trash is gonna be. And up here we have more cabinets. And then this is the window. And I think they started painting or something doing here. And this is where the stove's gonna be, and the drawers. They started doing this today. So that's cool. And up here they took the popcorn out. This right here, I don't know what this is. Let's see. I don't know what this is, but I think it's another cabinet. Let's check. This bedroom, they didn't do much on this guest bedroom. The bathroom, not really. There's my toilet. They did paint here. So nothing much in the bathroom either. And in my room, they also did the roof. And I need them to fix this, which they haven't fixed that yet. And they haven't done anything in my bedroom. They have all this dirty things here, their stuff. So, yeah, they only worked on the kitchen. And the kitchen looks absolutely beautiful. They also took the lights out. But this is what they did all day today. Just the kitchen. And it's going to be black and white. So, of course, the sink. Here's the sink. Of course, the sink's going to be black and white. And the cabinets, these were installed last week. All of these. And now this one's what they did today. So this is where the stove's going to be. So it's a little smaller. The other one was a little bit big. But this is where the fridge is going to go. So we're going to put a fridge here. And we're going to get a fridge that opens. That has a big opening. So it fits here. And this, I don't know what this is. I think this is more cabinets. Yeah, so it's looking good. They're actually almost done. I think we need 2 more weeks. And they haven't put the floors yet. I think that they're going to do a lot. They're going to do that when they're almost finished. They are fixing the electricities. So yeah, there's my vanity right there. That's the vanity. It's going to go in my bathroom, which is here. And yeah, they only started doing the kitchen, and the kitchen looks absolutely beautiful. I love it. It's like it's different from before. So it's going to be smaller, which is good. It's fine. We don't need a big kitchen. So yeah. So tomorrow they're going to come back and they're going to continue what they did. So yeah, it looks pretty good. They also put this. So yeah, it's almost done. So yeah, it's almost done. They haven't done anything over here, but they will be finished. So yeah, so this is what's been going on. The floors are gonna be put in the end when they're finished. I think they need about 2 more weeks, so they finish. And I think the painter is gonna come on Thursday. It's gonna start painting. So I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Give it a big thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, follow me down below, also on my description. And I will see you guys next time. Bye.